I lost my phone on a slope and I don't know where. Hello guys, we're in Andorra and today we are going to ski, and I take a lot of photos because it's beautiful and it's a sunny day, it's a bit warm. You know, the other day I was skiing and I took my phone out of my pocket just to take a photo. And this is normal because here is so beautiful and you want to take a photo. But actually the photo wasn't really great. You can see it here. And when Bruno gave my phone back, I put it in my pocket, but I didn't zip my pocket and I lost my phone. That's okay, I guess that. Oh god, that's terrible. I just found out I lost my phone on a slope and I don't know where. I don't know what I should do. Ricardo asked someone. Ricardo, what did they tell you about the phone?
They said that maybe the phone is at the reception, so I guess we should go there and check if the phone is there.
My phone is purple and they said pink, but some phone doesn't have pink. I haven't seen it.
Otherwise you have bought it, right? If it was pink, yeah. So.
But let's go and check it, I don't know. I need my phone! We took a wrong leaf. We should go back. I'm losing my husband. We are exactly opposite side of where we have to go to see if the phone they found is mine or not. We have to cross all of these mountains and get to the exactly opposite side. Let's go before they close down. I should go down there. Yes, we should go there. Go, go, go. Go before they close. I think this is purple. Believe me, it's purple. It's not pink. And when I asked the guy, I was like, he was like, was it iPhone? I was like, no, it's Samsung. And he was like, are you sure? I said, yeah. The guy up there said maybe. And he was like, let me check. When did you lose it? I was like, I seriously don't know. Probably morning. And he was like, I will check it. And he brought it like, is it this one? I said, yeah. And I said, I can't give it to you. But just, I was like, I can put my fingerprint. And when I'm like, I'm so happy. Oh, I'm so happy now. Happiness. I can't really do dancing with these shoes, but this is the happy dance.
So show me your phone. You got your phone?
I lost it again. This is seriously, it's not pink.
It's pink. It's a bit pink. It's a bit pink. Yeah, it's
When they
pink.
buy it, even on the
When in the reflection,
Yeah. From this perspective, it's kind of pink.
but Samsung doesn't have pink.
Well, you got a phone back.
I have
Nice people here.
Everything is fine. I'm so happy that I got my phone. Let's continue. We didn't know where I lost the phone or something. Thankfully, I'm so happy. I'm so grateful that we took the phone back. But when we went through the footage, I literally filmed. I mean, Bruno filmed when I lost my phone. It's so funny, and you can see it in this footage.
It's a bit soft, yeah?
We are the last one taking this. Because we were almost the last one, and we kind of have all the resorts kind of to ourselves. Look here, there is a snow till just here.